Happy Friday, everyone. I figured I'd pop in here, show my face for a bit. Again, my name's Ramon, Saman Baggage, and I'm finishing up some inventory here and realized I needed to take a step back for some clarity and perspective. Sometimes we get too narrowly focused on the nitty-gritty of the numbers, but I wanted to pull back and give flowers where they're truly due. Just a few short months ago, our company was nothing but a dream. We had no product, we had more questions than anything else. Now I'm inputting inventory. We're on the verge of launching round 2 of our premium vacuum cubes. And we have a tangible prototype of what I'm calling our flagship product. It's wild. The real magic behind all of that comes down to our founder. Sade lives and breathes Saman. Her creativity and desire to create something special for the greater good is truly inspiring. She watched people struggle with travel. She listened to the stories from within her family lineage and decided to address a need. She's poured endless nights, endless late nights, and so much heart into every little detail, from stitching to fabric to functionality. And her vision was simple: make travel feel light and easy and stress-free, with a little luxury folded in there. So instead of tossing everything into a giant black hole, you get to compartmentalize your trip. You can pack by outfit, organize by day, keep your warm gear separate from your daily stuff. It truly declutters and cuts out the pre-trip anxiety. So I'm thankful to be on this journey. I can't wait for you all to experience what we have in store for you. Thanks for sitting with me as I remind myself that, these numbers are such a small part of a bigger machine. Taking in our passion and effort and dedication to you, the consumer, is a refreshing reminder what this vision is all about. Make sure you're part of our carry crew for the latest and greatest on all things Saman and for info on that next product drop. It may be coming sooner than you think.